In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple dates as pages in Notion. First, open your browser and head to Notion.com. If you're not already signed in, click Login. On the sign-in screen, choose the Google option and select your Google account to continue. If you're already logged in, you'll land right in your workspace. Next, create a new page. In the sidebar, click Add a Page, then give your page a clear name so you'll recognize it later. Something like Events Calendar or Content Schedule works well. After naming it, click in the blank space under the title to start editing the page body. Now we'll add a calendar. Type the / command / calendar and pick calendar view from the menu that appears. When prompted, select New Empty Data Source. This creates a new calendar database right on your page. In Notion, every item you add to a calendar is actually its own page, complete with a title, properties, and a full page view, all anchored to a date. Let's add your first dated page. Click the plus sign on a specific date or just click directly on the date cell and type the page name. That instantly creates a page for that date. You can repeat the same action for as many dates as you need. Click another date, type the page name, and keep going. This is a quick way to build out a schedule, a series of events or daily logs, each as its own page organized neatly by date. For consistency, consider a simple naming pattern like Event 1, Event 2, or a short description that makes scanning the calendar easy. When you want to work more deeply on any item, open it in its own space by clicking Open in Full Page. You'll see the page title at the top, the date property that places it on the calendar, and a large content area where you can write notes, add checklists, or embed media. To track more details, click Add a Property. Properties help you structure information across all your dated pages. For example, you might add a select or multi-select for status or category, a text field for a location, a checkbox for needs review, or a number for estimates. The built-in date property ties the page to the calendar. Keep that as is so your items stay linked to the right days. As you add properties, they'll appear at the top of each page and as columns in your calendar's database, giving you consistent fields you can fill in for every entry. And that's it. You've logged in, created a page, added a calendar, created multiple dated pages, opened them in full view, and enhanced them with properties for better organization.